up, you guys? It's your girl Ebony Alexis, and I'm back again with another video. If you have not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like I told you guys, I will be uploading a lot more videos, and let's just go ahead and get right into the video. So this video is actually going to be a clothing haul for Zaful. So I'm going to just give my opinions on what I think about their clothes. So yeah, so right now this actually is the first shirt outfit. This is a no for me because like this is falling off. So like this is like a no for me. So yeah, like no. So I'm gonna show you guys the next one. This is the next one. It's a little shirt that I have. And yeah, so this back does a little tie up, and it's kind of supposed to be like a, let me see, like a slit, which is cute. I really like that. I like this up here. It's really cute. Yeah, I like this one. I give this some thumbs up. So this is the bottoms that I got. You see, they're really cute. I like them. Yeah, I give this a thumbs up. I like this. Alright, so the next thing I got is this little jacket to go with the bottoms. And I really love this jacket. It's like a, well, it is a windbreaker. I love it. It's cute. Little, just going out, doing little errands or something, or just for like a rainy day, or like when it's like really windy outside. But this is cute. I really like it. This one I really been waiting for. This one is like, I was so excited to get this one because I really liked how it looked. But yeah, this is so cute. I love it. I love it. The sleeves, it fits. It's crop here. This is so cute. You can like zip it up here. You could zip it up just a little bit, keep it like that, or you can have it all the way up and zip like that. Oh, this is so cute. Okay. Yeah, I love this, and the material is so nice. I like this. And I actually got another one in black, and it did not make it. So that's another thing actually. So yeah, this is the last one that that I got. It's really a short haul. I just kind of wanted to try them out just to see before I just started like spending money with them. But yeah, so I did get another one in black, and it did not get here. It said that it was returned because of an incorrect address, which I don't understand because the first package I got here, and then that one didn't. So, and then it's kind of questionable that it was separated too. I guess it didn't all fit in one bag, but still, like, so that's the only thing I would say about this company. Like, and it's being shipped overseas, so you just kind of have to watch for that. Like, if you want this type of stuff like for a specific date, I would definitely order ahead of time, because they don't give you an option to express or, you know, get it shipped faster. So if you want something from them that, you know, you want like quick, they're definitely not the place to get clothes from. What else? And that's pretty much it. I like all the stuff, except for that first one. That first one did not fit me. It was falling off. Nah, I'll probably have to like tape that or do something with that, just to make it fit. But overall, I really like their clothes. They're really cute, and they have some nice material too. So if you guys want to see another haul, let me know in the comments below. Let me know what outfit or like what shirt you guys liked. And yeah, I'll be posting more videos, so make sure you click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. Okay, love you guys.